Hey everyone, welcome back to the Yaqoobtecnicaltricks. Today, we're talking about the brand new Oppo A6 Pro, a phone that's making waves in the budget to mid-range category. If you're someone who's looking for a sleek design, solid performance, and value for money, you're going to want to stick around till the end of this video. Let's start with the design, and Oppo definitely knows how to make a phone look premium. The A6 Pro comes with a stunning glass-like back finish that reflects light beautifully. It's slim, it's comfortable in the hand, and comes in some really eye-catching colors. Oppo has also gone with a flat frame design, which gives it that modern flagship feel. On the front, there's a large punch-hole display that offers an immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching YouTube, gaming, or just scrolling through Instagram. Speaking of the display, the Oppo A6 Pro features a 6.67-inch FHD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. That's right, a 120Hz refresh rate in this price range is a big win. Scrolling is super smooth, animations feel fluid, and overall it gives you that premium touch. The brightness goes up to 950 nits, which means sunlight visibility is no issue. For content lovers, this display is definitely a treat. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Oppo A6 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 695 chipset. It's a very capable processor that handles everyday tasks with ease, and even for gaming, it performs surprisingly well. Whether you're playing BGMI, COD Mobile, or Asphalt 9, you'll get a smooth and stable experience, especially when paired with the 120Hz display. It also comes with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, so multitasking and storage won't be a problem. Camera performance on the A6 Pro is also quite solid for its segment. You get a 64MP main camera that captures good details in daylight, with decent color accuracy and sharpness. Night shots are okay too, thanks to some decent image processing. The 2MP depth sensor helps with portrait shots. On the front, there's an 8MP selfie camera which does a good job for social media-ready selfies and video calls. It supports features like Eye Beauty and Portrait Mode, which Oppo is known for. Battery-wise, the Oppo A6 Pro packs a 5000 mAh battery which can easily last a full day with normal to heavy use. And the cherry on top, it supports 67 watts Super VOOC fast charging. That means you can go from 0 to around 50% in just about 20 minutes. That's super convenient for those who are always on the go. On the software side, the phone runs ColorOS 13.1 based on Android 13. It's feature-rich, smooth, and comes with nice customizations. You get features like screen recording, flexible multitasking, privacy protection, and more. Oppo has improved the UI over time, and it's now lighter and smoother than ever. Additional features include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, dual stereo speakers with good audio output, 5G support for future-proofing, and a hybrid SIM slot. Oppo has packed a lot of value here. Now let's talk price, and this is where things get interesting. The Oppo A6 Pro is expected to be priced around 19,000 to 22,000 rupees depending on the variant. Considering what it offers: a AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 695, 5000 mAh battery with 67 watts charging, it's a very competitive option in the market. So, is the Oppo A6 Pro worth it? If your priority is a stylish phone with a great display, smooth performance, and fast charging, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. It's perfect for students, casual gamers, and even professionals looking for a secondary device. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Yaqoobtecnicaltricks for more awesome tech content. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Oppo A6 Pro and whether it fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care and stay touchy.